Hi, everybody. Last week we started talking about being balanced, about how there are things that you might like, but you can't just have the things you like. You have to have the other things in life too. So, first of all, I'm going to play you a story about a girl who wasn't very balanced. She liked one thing so much that she chose to have only that thing, and then there were consequences. So let's listen to the story of Beautiful Moon.
Says, the grass is cool. I look into the dark indigo night and see the glow of the beautiful moon. But I am restless in the darkness. There is still so much to do. I need a day that never ends. The moon flashes a smile. In a wink, the sky begins to peel away. I take an edge of the nighttime sky. I pull until the sky is full of light. The sun wraps its warmth around me. I run and swim and eat and play. Birds chirp, animals roam, flowers stretch in the sunlight. I play until I am too tired to go on. I sit to rest and look around me. Something is very wrong. The trees hang low from too much sun. The grass turns brown in the constant heat. I am tired but can get no rest. I always wanted a day that never ended, but now I know better. Nighttime is the time for rest, a time to gain energy for a new day. The sun smiles. In a wink, the bright sky turns back into a blanket of indigo. The moon smiles, and in a wink, the stars sparkle, the animals rest, the trees and flowers cool. The sun sets, the grass is cool. I look into the dark indigo night and see the glow of the beautiful moon. Life is as it should be, just me and my beautiful moon. The end.
Okay, so the girl in the story was not balanced at all, was she? She thought that she wanted the day never to end because she was so busy in doing all these wonderful things, and she thought that day was so much better than night, and that she wanted a day that never ended. But then there were consequences of that, weren't there? It wasn't right. We need both the night and the day. So why are we talking about being balanced in terms of your learning? Well, there are lots of reasons. I almost think that being balanced is probably the most important one of the IB learner traits because it brings everything back together again. Okay? If you are balanced, then you take care of yourself. If you're balanced, you're organized. If you're balanced, then you set and achieve your goals. If you're balanced, you don't spend all your time thinking that you can't do things. You have a positive growth mindset. If you're balanced, you enjoy your learning and get the best out of it. When you're balanced, you eat healthily, having treats sometimes, but not just treats. When you're balanced, you listen to different points of view, you have an open mind. As well as liking your work, you also do fun activities and take regular exercise when you're a balanced person. When you're balanced, you have positive relationships with your friends and your family and your teachers. And when you're balanced, you look around the wider world, you find things out. So you can see how important it is to be a balanced learner. Now, as we get towards the end of this very strange academic year, which hasn't really worked out the way any of us expected, I want you to try and keep hold of that. I want you to try and think how you can be balanced and how you can bring balance to your work, working hard, but also enjoying yourself. Okay? Take care, everybody. Have a good week, and I'll speak to you soon.